This isn't just a Corvette, this is a $185,000 American supercar with a screaming 5.5-liter flat-plane V8, a race-bred Z07 package, and a sound Ferrari owners would recognize. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to the channel because today we're looking at one of the most extreme American performance machines ever created, the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 Convertible 3LZ with the Z07 Performance Package. At first glance, this Corvette looks like a beautiful exotic convertible, but underneath the stunning Amplify Orange Tintcoat exterior is a machine engineered with one purpose: to deliver a true supercar experience without wearing a European badge. This is not the Corvette of the past. This is a completely new generation of performance where American engineering meets exotic car technology. With a price tag of around $185,000, this Z06 convertible represents the top level of C8 Corvette performance, combining luxury, carbon fiber aerodynamics, and track-ready capability into one incredible package. The heart of this machine is what makes it truly special: a 5.5-liter LT6 flat-plane crank V8 engine. This naturally aspirated masterpiece is unlike any previous Corvette engine. Instead of relying on turbochargers or superchargers, Chevrolet created an engine that delivers power through high RPM excitement and an unforgettable racing soundtrack. Every press of the accelerator unleashes a dramatic roar from the flat-plane crank V8, creating an experience that feels closer to a race car than a traditional sports car. This engine produces 670 horsepower, making it the most powerful naturally aspirated production V8 ever placed in a Corvette. Behind that incredible engine is the lightning-fast TR89 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. This gearbox delivers rapid shifts with incredible precision, allowing the Z06 to launch aggressively while maintaining smooth performance during everyday driving. Power is sent to the rear wheels through an electronic limited-slip differential, helping maximize traction during hard acceleration and aggressive cornering. Whether attacking a racetrack or cruising through city streets, this Corvette is designed to deliver confidence and control. But the Z06 is more than just horsepower. This particular model features the legendary Z07 Performance Package, transforming the Corvette into a serious track weapon. The Z07 package brings advanced aerodynamic upgrades, including a massive high rear wing, aggressive dive planes, and lightweight carbon fiber ground effects. These components are not just for appearance, they help increase downforce and stability at high speeds. The vehicle sits on incredible 20-inch front and 21-inch rear carbon flash painted wheels wrapped in ultra-high performance Michelin Pilot Sport Cup tires. These tires are designed for maximum grip, allowing the Z06 to attack corners with incredible precision. Stopping power comes from a premium carbon ceramic brake system, providing exceptional performance under extreme conditions. These brakes not only improve track capability, but also add to the exotic appearance of this machine. The exterior design is a perfect balance between aggression and elegance. The Amplify Orange Tintcoat exterior paint immediately grabs attention, highlighting every sculpted bodyline of the C8 Corvette. The convertible design adds another level of excitement. With the push of a button, the power retractable hard top transforms this supercar from a closed-roof performance machine into an open-air driving experience. The aggressive front end features LED headlights, a composite splitter, and aerodynamic styling that gives the Z06 a race-inspired appearance. Carbon flash black accents create a sharp contrast, including the exterior mirrors, trim pieces, and rear details. Every angle reveals performance-focused design. The wide stance, massive rear tires, carbon components, and black exhaust tips communicate that this Corvette was built for speed. Step inside, And the Z06 Convertible 3LZ delivers a premium luxury environment designed around the driver. The cabin features a jet black interior with the exclusive stealth interior trim package, creating a modern and performance-focused atmosphere. The carbon fiber steering wheel places the driver directly in control, while the bright orange seat belts add a unique performance accent. The GT2 power seats provide excellent support while offering premium comfort with heating and ventilation. The driver-focused cockpit includes advanced technology like an 8-inch touchscreen, Chevrolet Infotainment 3, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. For those who want a concert experience while cruising, the Corvette features the incredible Bose Performance Series 14-speaker audio system, delivering premium sound throughout the cabin. Technology continues with a head-up display, keeping important driving information directly in the driver's view. The Performance Data Recorder allows owners to capture driving experiences, analyze performance, and relive moments from the road or track. The interior also includes wireless device charging, USB storage connectivity, dual-zone climate control, memory settings, and front and rear camera systems. This 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 Convertible 3LZ Z07 is more than a luxury convertible. It is a statement of what modern American performance can become. It combines a legendary naturally aspirated flat plane V8, advanced aerodynamics, carbon fiber technology, luxury appointments, and track-focused engineering into one unforgettable package. For decades, the Corvette represented America's answer to the world's greatest sports cars. The C8 Z06 takes that mission to another level. With its exotic sound, breathtaking design, and race-inspired technology, this machine proves that a Corvette can stand beside the world's most respected supercars. The 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 Convertible 3LZ Z07 is not just built to be driven, it is built to be remembered.